Have you ever wanted to reorder items in a SwiftUI list but weren't sure how? Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So this is the application we'll be creating today. SwiftUI List with some images and text. So if you want to reorder the items on the list, just click on edit. And then to reorder the actual items, just click on the right hand side of the list and drag it up or down as I'm displaying here, and then your list selection will be saved persistently using app storage. So this is the application we'll be creating today. On lines 44 we'll start to loop through our fruits using a for each loop. For each fruits So we're looping through the fruits array, and then we display the fruit image, but first we need the H stack. Image fruit dot resizable frame width 50, height 50, corner radius 10. The next thing we need to do is to add the fruit name, description and price to a VStack needing text, fruit name, add a bit of style to the font, text, fruit, description, sub-headline for the font, foreground color is grey, text, and then we add the price, the fruit, the specifier, so the price will be in 2 decimal places, percentage, dot 2f, dot font, subheadline, dot foreground color, which is blue. After line 64, we add a spacer, if selected fruits dot contains ID is equal to fruit ID. So if the fruit is selected, we just add an image check mark. dot foreground color blue. And then after line 72, we just remove the list row separator and make it hidden. And then we type in content, shape, rectangle, on tap gesture, if let index is equal to selected fruit. First index. $.0 is equal to ID. So if the fruit array ID is equal to the fruit, if it's already selected, then we remove the selected fruit from the array. Selected fruits dot remove the index. Else selected fruits dot append fruit. Else add the fruit to the selected array if it's not selected. On lines 85, this is where we start to implement some of the move method. Dot on move, source, destination, fruits dot move, source to offset. This is where the fruit will be dropped within the array for the new destination within the list. And then the next thing we need to do is after lines 88, set the list style to dot plain. environment, edit mode, $sign is edit mode active. Just compile it. In next week's tutorial, we will complete the remainder of the content view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.